Fear is pain arising from the anticipation of evil. The soul never thinks without a picture. Change in all things is sweet. The most perfect political community is one in which the middle class is in control, and outnumbers both of the other classes. The virtue of justice consists in moderation, as regulated by wisdom. The state comes into existence for the sake of life and continues to exist for the sake of good life. It is the mark of an educated mind to be able to entertain a thought without accepting it. There is no great genius without some touch of madness. You will never do anything in this world without courage. It is the greatest quality of the mind next to honor. Good habits formed at youth make all the difference. Those that know, do. Those that understand, teach. Personal beauty is a greater recommendation than any letter of reference. Courage is the first of human qualities because it is the quality which guarantees the others. Those who educate children well are more to be honored than they who produce them, for these only gave them life, those arts of living well. Wishing to be friends is quick work, but friendship is a slow ripening fruit. Education is an ornament in prosperity and a refuge in adversity. Youth is easily deceived because it is quick to hope. All human actions have one or more of these 7 causes: chance, nature, compulsions, habit, reason, passion, desire. Friendship is essentially a partnership. My best friend is the man who in wishing me well wishes it for my sake. Rhetoric may be defined as the faculty of observing in any given case the available means of persuasion. This is not a function of any other art. It is not once nor twice but times without number that the same ideas make their appearance in the world. No notice is taken of a little evil, but when it increases it strikes the eye. The young are permanently in a state resembling intoxication.